can we add music to WhatsApp status? In today's video, we're going to be figuring out whether we can add music to our WhatsApp status or not. Even though WhatsApp doesn't have a built-in feature for it, I'll show you some workarounds. So let's get started. First things first, open WhatsApp and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the updates or the status tab, and here you can see at the top a pencil icon. Simply tap on that. Here at the bottom we can find four options, that is video, photo, text and voice bar. Just play your music in the voice bar and you will simply record it. Once you've recorded your music, you can simply listen to it and simply also post it in your WhatsApp status. And your WhatsApp status will have music. If you don't want to use this way, we have another workaround as well. Just tap on the pencil icon again and go to the video. From here, you can simply record your video while simply playing the music in the background. Just play the music on background, release the button and simply post your status. And that's it. Now you know how to add music to your WhatsApp status easily.